Imagine you open your phone's contact list and tap a name to see a number. That is a dictionary in action. Each name links to one piece of data. In the next few minutes you will learn how to build, read, change, and loop through Python dictionaries. A dictionary stores items as key-value pairs inside curly braces. The key acts like a label, the value is the data it protects, and you separate them with a colon. Dictionaries are mutable, so you can update them after creation, and they keep no fixed order. Start a new dictionary with the variable name equals curly braces, or wrap key::value pairs inside them. To fetch data, type the dictionary name, square brackets, and the key you want. If the key might be missing, use the get method. It returns either the value or a default you supply. Add or change an entry by assigning a value to a key. Python creates or overwrites automatically. Delete one item with pop in the key, or remove the last pair with popitem, or wipe everything with clear. Loop over keys with for key in mydict, over values with for value in mydict.values, and over pairs with for key, value in mydict.items. Common helper methods are keys, values, and items. Each gives you a view you can iterate or turn into a list. Let us build a word counter. Start with an empty dictionary and a short paragraph. Split the text into words. Then for each word use get to add 1 to the running total, defaulting to 0 the first time. After the loop, printing the dictionary shows every word and its frequency, demonstrating how dictionaries track counts without extra code. Today you saw that a dictionary pairs unique keys with values, lets you add, change, and remove data, and provides simple methods for iteration. Use dictionaries whenever you need fast lookups, tallies, or structured records, and practice by turning your own contact list into Python code. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.